Hello, my dear friends of Fricción Mental. After about 4 months of absenteeism, here I'm back. And this time I'm not bringing you a video tutorial, it's actually a promotional video. And well, I was away this about almost 4 months because I was working in a personal project, something that I wanted to do a long time ago. And well, I finally did it. And it's the creation and publication of my first book. It's nothing big, nothing fancy. It's actually something pretty simple, but well, I had to start somewhere. And here I want to show it to you. My book is titled, as we say in Mexico, and it's basically a compilation of 308 popular sayings, phrases, and expressions that we use here in Mexico. And well, as you can see here, I'm basically placing the saying and then a little translation to English. And again, it's as literal as I could. Some of the words I actually don't know how to translate them, so I guess I just placed them as they were, as they are in Spanish. But here, well, you can see an example. You can click on this first one, and it says "a buen entendedor, pocas palabras." That's the first one, and the literal translation is "to a good understander, few words." And then I put a pretty small meaning, or it's a personal interpretation of the meaning of the saying or the expression. And well, I do the same thing for all of them. In some of them, if I think that I knew the the English equivalent, well, I'm placing it here. Maybe I am wrong. I hope not. But so you can see the saying in Spanish, then the literal translation, and then the English equivalent. And well, as I'm trying to state here on the introduction, again, these are all personal interpretations depending on how I know the saying and the expression and the context that I have heard them. By no means I pretend to know the absolute meaning of each one of them. And well, I also created this email. So if you have heard, you have traveled here to Mexico, or you are here in Mexico and you have heard some saying of or expression, and you would like to have it added into this book, well, hopefully next year I could release a second edition. So you can write me to this email and just leave me your name or pseudonym as you want to be mentioned. Also, if you don't want to be mentioned on the contributions, well, just let me know. Send me the saying or the expression and what it means to you, and especially where have you heard it? If it's in the north or the center or the south of the Mexican Republic, just to have a good context of it. And well, I hope this create some curiosity to all of you, and you go ahead and buy my book, and I'm gonna show you how to find it. It's pretty simple. In case you haven't uh, bought before a book from Amazon Kindle, just come to Amazon and then look here for Kindle Store and just put the name of the book. As we say in Mexico, hope I spell it right. Okay, that's good. And well, this is it. This is my book. And well, right now it's on $2.95. Should be American dollars, I think. Actually, I placed this the smallest amount that Kindle allowed me. That was $2.99. Again, American dollars. So depending on when you are and when you want to, where you want to buy it, well, the exchange rate might make it a little bit different for you. But well, you can read this in your tablet, in your book. If you have the Kindle reader, you can read it there. And well, it's about 169 pages for the 308 popular sayings. And well, again, I hope this creates a little bit of curiosity to you, and just go ahead and buy the book. It's not expensive at all, and you can learn a little bit more about Mexico, I hope. And well, you can actually help me a little bit and contribute to my channel by buying this small book. So well, again, thanks to all of you, and go ahead, buy my book. And well, I hope that I can soon come back to the video tutorials. I got pending to make the video tutorials for Excel 2016. So I think I'm gonna go back to those videos. But well, I just wanted to make a little bit of promotion to my book. So again, thanks to all of you. Go ahead, buy my book, and thank you. See you on the next video.